Little Star Wars update. There is a tunnel that they've constructed. I'm guessing that's where you're going to come in and out from behind Big Thunder Mountain. A lot of concrete been poured up for some vertical walls. And they have this big pit right here in the center. I'm not really sure why. It's a rectangle and it has two smaller rectangular pits off the sides of them for some reason. They have a bunch of shoring up there with wood planks. And they have this giant mound over here. That must be where all the dirt came from. There's that hole. Very cool stuff. Love watching the progression of Star Wars land.